Welcome to this activity pool tutorial. In just 4 easy steps, I'm going to show you how to build and fill so you can chill in your new Funsicle pool.
Always read the user guide included with every pool and check out these useful splash tips during setup. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Prepare the site.
It's very important to place the pool on a firm, flat, and level surface. Do not set on sandy or loose ground. It should be free of any stones or sharp objects. Remember, pointy things poke things. If your pool uses a filtration system, pick a setup location 10 to 21 feet away from the outlet.
Step 2. Assemble the pool.
If you bought a ground cloth, lay that down first, and then unfold your liner. The liner floor must be stretched out as flat as possible. Let it soak up some sun for about 2 hours. This will make the liner easier to handle. Lay out all the parts around the liner. Insert all the horizontal beams through the top liner sleeves. This is an activity pool T-fitting. Connect each T-fitting to the horizontal beams. Insert a horizontal beam into a T-fitting. Make sure the pins snap in place. Repeat the process and connect the sets as you go. Insert the foot pads on the vertical legs. Carefully slide the vertical legs through the liner belt and snap them to each T-fitting. Make sure the legs are perpendicular to the ground.
Step 3. Add 1 inch of water.
Fill the pool with 1 inch of water and then stop the water flow. Spread out any remaining floor wrinkles and make sure the liner is taut all around.
Step 4. Assemble the filtration system.
If you're planning on using a filtration system, or your pool is compatible with one, this setup is for you. This is the filtration system we will cover in this video. For all other filtration system setups, refer to your user guide or watch our other videos. Locate the inlet and outlet holes on your pool and insert the suction fittings and return fittings. Disassemble the skimmer seal ring and re-thread it onto the skimmer through the wall opening. Disassemble the return fitting assembly from the inside of the pool. Insert the fitting with the fitting gasket. On the outside of the pool, place the thrust washer on the fitting followed by the fitting nut. Fitting nut can be hand tightened. Pause the video at any time to compare your fittings and ensure you are inserting them in the correct order. Install a hose clamp on each end of the hose. Attach one end of the hose to the skimmer and the other end to the return fitting. Slide the hose end over the O-ring on the fittings, making sure to tighten the hose clamp directly over the O-ring. Continue filling your pool. Check the pool occasionally to make sure it fills evenly. Adjust as needed. If you're not using a filtration system, your pool is ready to use once the water is approximately 6 inches below the top rim and you have balanced the pH and chlorine levels. If you are using an SFX, you can now insert the rest of the canister parts. This is a GFCI power cord. If you notice that your filter pump is turned off after plugging it in, do not worry. The pump power is controlled by a daily timer that can be configured through the Set button. Refer to the user guide for instructions. Lastly, use a pool test strip to ensure the pH and chlorine levels are in a healthy range.
Now we're all set for some fun in the sun.